This is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on sharing printers with Windows 7 Release Candidate 1 and Windows XP. So we're in Windows 7, click on Start, Devices and Printers, we'll click Add a Printer. Now it asks us if we want to add a local printer, which would be one that's connected directly to this computer, or a network, wireless, or Bluetooth printer. So we're going to select that. It starts to do a search. This is not the printer I'm looking for. And here it is. So now I'll say Next. Windows is communicating with the printer. It will automatically determine which printer driver to use. That's a good enough name for it. Click Next. It's installing the printer. Share the printers so others on your network can find it and use it. Next. And I'll click Print a Test Page. And if you listen closely, you can hear my printer firing up over there and printing out a page. So, that's setting up a printer in Windows 7 to share with a printer on Windows XP, and that's all there is to it.